It's a high density, quick drying fabric, non-slip rubber backing. It doesn't slip or slide on our counter. 18 by 24 inches, so it doesn't take up too much counter space, but we can put it right next to the sink. And when we put water on it, you can see the fabric literally just soaks it up. In 5 to 10 seconds, it's gone, and it doesn't soak all the way through. Our countertop stays nice and dry. Here's a close-up look of that anti-slip waterproof backing. It's really beautiful in person, and it's kind of a cloth texture. How fun is this watercolor sunflower with the scallop design, just to give that pop of fun in the kitchen. You can cut them if you want a smaller size. And they also look really great in a coffee nook. Our particular Keurig splashes a lot, and because it absorbs all liquid, it's great for a coffee bar mat. It's a heat-resistant trivet. It's good in a bathroom, a vanity sink, a sink splash guard, pet feeding, really wherever you want to use it. And the best part, when you're done, you can simply wipe it clean, let it air dry, and roll it up for compact storage. We shove it under our sink. It takes up no space at all. So overall, I'd say it's a great balance between beauty and practicality. It looks great, but performs like a heavy-duty drying mat. I love the scallop sunflower design. It upgrades that kitchen instantly, and you can cut it and make it wherever you want the layout to match your space. Quick water absorption, prevents countertop damage, and adds a bright pop of color. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.